Probability by Ramsey P. and Audrey F.
What is probability? I don't understand. Can you explain it to me? From Winifred. Probability, percentages. Probability is the likeliness that an event will occur. An outcome is the result of a single trial. If the two possible outcomes have an equal chance, the probability would be 50%. Example, if you were to toss a coin, since there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails, the probability would be a 50-50 chance. You would have an equal chance to get heads, 50%, or tails, 50%.
Probability. Likely, unlikely, as likely as not. Certain and impossible. If it's a 30% chance of rain, then it's unlikely that it will rain, because there's a greater chance, 70%, that it won't rain. If it's 1% to 49%, it's unlikely. If it's 50%, it is as likely as not, equal. If it's 51% to 99%, it's likely. If it's 100%, it's certain. And if it's 0, it's impossible.
Thanks for watching our math movie on probability, made by
Audrey
and Ramsey.